natanggal. Blackheads yun, di ba?
Blackheads. Dapat pala noong ko pa natanggal. Kasi kinakamot-kamot ko to kaya naging ganito. Sophia, if I brought Lexus here, you gonna play with him? Dami ako toys. You like that? You like that? Why are you crying before? When he's saying it on camera, a video, on the call. Why are you crying?
Because I don't do any friends.
Because you are annoyed to Lexus.
Because I don't do any friends, I'm crying. No, it's not.
Sige na nga, sabi mo.
It's not the Papa Jesus, baby.
Nagtaka rin ako. Ayos mo na po higa mo. Ayos mo na.
What's that I did? Your tuhod?
Tuhod.
This is my knees. Tuhod, knees.
I said,
Ankles called ankles. In the Filipino, bukong-bukong. Bukong-bukong. Sakong, ito sakong. Yung bukong-bukong.
Higda na tayong plaster. Dapat mo ni Bintang.
Mama, I don't
Pwede ayaw.
But the Pintong here cannot stop opening his eyes.
Nalagay mo na balab yung account dyan ng ML? Tignan ko nga. Subukan ko nga. Lab. Paabot. Ayoko magpakita sa ano mo. Baka masira yung video mo.
Ayun na. Ay, baka Angeline.
Oh, good man.
Later. Ale. Come here.
Let's be polite. Wow.
Got to put that.
Great book.
Pipi.
Let's be polite.
Ayun lagi. Ayaw ba mo? Nang di na ako kaganahan ni mo, oy.
Observe.
Diretso lang kag panuklok.
Door.
Okay pala yung wifi.
Koto.
Lie down na dito.
Enough.
Oh,
Enough. Enough.
Hmm.